Hello, this is Africa. Welcome back to this channel. And let us talk about the construction of these key overpasses and interchanges that are going to link CBD with Gong Road. And this is a work that began last year, and that is 2021. Guys, and if you have been following my channel, and that is especially from last year, you have noticed that I have done a lot of video on this road. And now this is the construction of these two overpasses and a series of road interchanges which are going to link, like I have told you, Gong Road to the Nairobi Central Business District. And this is a work that is already underway. And from the information that we have from the Kenya Urban Road Authority, that is KURA, they did say that the project is going to be constructed at estimated cost of 2.9 billion Kenya shillings. And it is expected to be completed in 2023, and that is the next year. So this is a project that will involve the construction of a viaduct at a Valley Road and Kenyatta Avenue, that is from Integrity Center to Serena. And just like I have already informed you before, a viaduct is a type of a long bridge or series of bridges that are usually supported by a series of arches or spans between tall towers. So this time I'm going to show you the interchange or the viaduct that is going to be constructed at Tagong, Upper Hill, Haile Selassie Avenue. So let us concentrate today on the interchange that are going to be constructed at Gong and Nyerere Road, and an overpass at Upper Hill, Haile Selassie Avenue. And there will be another associated road network from Milimani Loco to Lower Hill Road. So just like I have told you, Nyerere Road will also be included. Remember last time I did concentrate on what was happening on Kenyatta Avenue. So I did not inform you what is going to happen on the other sections. So when you talk about Nyerere Road is going to be turned into a dual carriageway. That is according to the information I have, while the State House Road will be refurbished. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Africa. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
really what